a bunch of weird moves this week in mixing 6 and 8.
And 10, it turns out.
Good point.
So first we did that swing out with the +2.
Yes, that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And that's using that same turn that we learned last week, just putting it on an 8 count move.
Yes. And then we did the other thing that we did.
Was the circle.
Same count circle.
Yes.
It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did that. And then we did this subtle move, so 6 count send up to 8 count send up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We added a turn to that. 1, 2, an overhead turn. Then we added the +2 to it. That looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's what we did this week. Great work. We'll see you on them